Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. When I do dishes, I definitely make a big mess of water, and I love being able to protect my countertops with this diatomite stone. This is from Dreamton, and it is a gorgeous, beautiful stone that protects my countertop, and it looks gorgeous as well. It comes in two pieces, and you can see that it has that really beautiful engraving on it. It has a very luxurious look. I will say if you have a soap dispenser, you do need to make an adjustment and do an extra little bit of carving out so that it will fit in there. We do have a machine for it, but if you did not, you can easily get that done. The piece itself is really thin, and you can see it measures compared to a penny. You can see the measurement there. But what's the coolest thing about this is it really absorbs water like no tomorrow. I really love that even if it's completely drenched, just within 15 minutes or so, you can see that it is almost completely dry. So while I'm splashing water, I can see how much water I'm splashing, but I also really get to see how much that I'm saving my countertop. This piece is really elegant looking. I love that it's this nice light color, and that stone really shows up that you can tell that it is absorbing the water. And if you need something that will definitely help you, it's easy to clean, it's easy to use, and as I mentioned, it dries up in no time, protecting my countertop. But that's just my point of view.